Good morning, students. I, your Vaishali ma'am, welcome you once again in Alchemy Online Tutorials, Class 2, Subject Mathematics. In the last class, we have seen the story sums, problem solving sums. In that, from the textbook, we have seen the example number 12. Now, further, we are going to end this chapter and we will see this example number 13 and 14 from your course book, I mean textbook. So, come, let's see the problem sums of our course book, example number 13 and 14. So, now first we will see the example number 13. A conference of rats was held in a meeting. So as we are having a meeting, teachers are having a meeting, in the same way the rats was also having a meeting. A conference of rats means a group of rats was held in a meeting hall to decide who would tie a bell around a cat's neck. In the meeting, there were 256 brown rats, 165 white rats and 348 grey rats. There are three colors of rat: black, brown and grey. How many rats were there at the conference in all? So what you have to do? You have to do the addition. How many? So number of brown rats are 256, white rats are 165 and grey rats are 348. They have to do what? They have to tie a bell around a cat's neck. उनके नेक में बेल टाई करना था, बांधना था. So can you see here the sum? 100 tens and ones they have written. 256 plus 165 plus 348. So this is the addition and the problem sum of addition with regrouping tens and ones. Addition and with regrouping tens and ones means what? Here you can see the carryover regrouping. At the 100 place also 1 is written and tens place also 1 is written. So when we do the calculation, the answer we will get is 769. So in this way you can solve on your blackboard, on while or your rough notebook also. So thus at the last what we are writing, there were 769 rats at the conference. Okay. After seeing this example number 13, we are moving forward and we will see the example number 14 from the course book. A fruit seller sold 235 apples, 304 guavas and 186 oranges in a month. So what you have to do? Find the total number of fruits sold by him. So here also the same, the number of apples sold 235, the number of guavas sold 304, the number of oranges sold which is 186. So you have to find the total number of fruits sold by the fruit seller. So what we have to do is addition. So here once again is the same sum of where the addition with regrouping with tens and ones place. 100 and ones place. So here they have done the addition. 235 plus 304 plus 186. So what you have to do is you have to take first two number for the addition. Like we will start from the ones place. 5 plus 4 which makes 9. So 9 plus 6 15. So 15, forward number up, backward number down. In this way you have to solve two numbers, then go to the third number. From that your calculation will be correct. So the answer came is, thus the total number of fruits sold by a fruit seller in a month is 725. After seeing the example from the textbook of 13 and 14, I hope this concept of 3 digit is to be very clear, and this we will further solve in the application book or in the notebook of the sums of problem sums. So after this problem solving, come let's see what is given in the I think and reflect. So this is I think and reflect. The question is, how many times will you add 5 to 75 so that the sum is 90? So here you can see the solution is the number which already given is 75. So statement I have written, the number given is 75. The number we have to sum is 90. Okay, and which number we have to add by doing the sum of 90, which is 5. So here you can see the calculation. What I have to do? Addition. 75 plus 5, which makes 80. So I bring 80 down, again plus 5, then 85. Then I brought 85 down, plus 5, the number comes 90. So we have to make the sum of 90. So how many times can you see? Here how many times I have taken 5? 1, 2 and 3 times. So we have to add 3 times 5. So the answer is 3 times. Once again I am showing you the whole sum. This type of sum you can also solve very easily. Okay students? So after seeing the I think and I reflect, the concept is very clear about the how we have make 75 till 90 from the number 5 by doing the skip counting. As we have already done in the first standard, you have learned the skip counting of 5. But by addition, how much time it will do in grouping, that you have to clear. So till then students, take care and have a nice day.